The Mirfee Margarita Machine 8-liter model chills margaritas and slushies very quickly, turning out consistent frozen drinks in well under an hour for parties or busy family nights. Its multiple drink modes and simple one-button controls make it easy to switch between different textures, so you can dial in everything from a light breakfast smoothie to a thick party slush. A thoughtfully engineered sealing system keeps the tank from dripping or leaking even when you are stirring hard or serving continuously, which helps keep counters and floors clean. The automatic cleaning cycle and food-grade inner tank cut down on scrubbing time while giving peace of mind about hygiene, and the stainless steel exterior wipes down easily and looks professional on the counter. A bright built-in light lets you clearly see the drink level and consistency, and the generous 8-liter capacity is well suited to larger gatherings or small commercial settings. Despite its power, the machine runs with relatively low noise for this category, so it can crank out frozen cocktails and slushies without dominating the soundscape of your kitchen or bar.